Hey guys, and welcome to another video of mine. Today it's sort of another topic because I wanted to say I'm rebranding, so this means I changed my name. The background of my channel will soon change, as soon I'll make one. Also, I am changing my art style a little bit. That means I'm upgrading it so it looks better. I will have better videos now, so I'll take more time to edit. I will edit more professionally from the next video because I have some time problems now, but from the next video the videos will be much better, and also there will be more collabs in the future, so yeah, look out for that, guys. So now, for a better art style, I thought, why won't I have a better sketchbook? So yeah, that's what we are going to unbox. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So yeah, the XL Mixed Media Sketchbook, well, it's got a little rough through the packaging, but it also came from the UK, so I don't mind. It's a little smaller than my old sketchbook, but the paper is thicker and better because my old sketchbook is like really cheap. And well, this is actually a pretty good upgrade, so yeah, let's design a new cover